It finally arrived, my M12, link in the description. Check it out, good deals. I also got the Shockwave bits, so it's nice set. Good to have multiple bits, so when you need it, you have it. Good case. It's also stackable, which is nice on the case. It also came with an extra battery, so that's the deal you get. You get the extra battery. High output battery, which is nice. Always good to have an extra spare battery. Now let's check the M12 FUEL kit that comes with it. Here's an overview of the box. Nice kit. Comes with two, a hammer drill and as well as impact. It does include a battery, which is good. Always good to have that battery. Good runtime. It's brushless cordless hammer drill, which is more efficient than non-brushless drills, hammer drills. So it's a good thing. It's a plus. And the contents of the box makes a great gift for any time of the year. This is what comes in the box. Now let's open up the M12 FUEL brushless hammer drill kit. Comes in a nice contractor bag. All contents are inside. Nice big zipper to easily access the tools inside. Nice and smooth. So here we have the M12 user manual as well as the 1 key. And the charger instructions. Make sure you save this for future use and for warranty purposes only. Here we have the battery itself, the M12, good and slim profile. Battery has a 3-year warranty, so it's good to keep the receipt in a safe place in the rare case that it goes bad. And the charger itself, to charge your batteries, good size. Now to the M12 FUEL brushless hammer drill. This has a 5-year warranty, so you gotta make sure your receipt is saved. Proof of purchase. In case in the rare case it goes something's malfunctions or factory defect, it's always good to save your receipt. The specs are great on this little hammer drill, brushless hammer drill for tight spaces, and it has a good slim profile, so which is great. It's great for attic spaces as well. Also very lightweight. The LED light, many applications, especially if you're in the attic. Now let's go to the M12 FUEL Impact, one of the most slimmest impacts in the M12 lineup. True LED lighting, which is great for dark spaces and areas that need light. And one of the best ones this one has to offer that it's also brushless. M12 lineup, good grip and very slim profile for the battery as well. One of the great things about this one, that also has an LED indicator to tell you the state of charge of the battery. Next one is the battery itself. Let's check it and see inside. This one comes in the kit. It's a nice slim profile, great for the M12 Impact that we just saw. First time. Once you attach it to the Impact, you can see the slim profile it has. Comes with a tri-LED lights. Good, ergonomical for your hand. Very lightweight, good aesthetics. Also includes a battery indicator. Good to have. And it's in the bag, that's all it. And that's it for the bag. You also have side pockets on the bag, the contractor bag, which is good for small pieces. Let's see what comes in the box. So in this kit you get 2 tools with battery, and that's how it should look like when you operate the batteries, but you could also interchange them. They're interchangeable too. So that's what comes in the kit. Feel free to check the link in the description where I got it. You can check it out and see what you think. It makes a great gift for any time of the year. Hopefully this video you found it useful. And also for a complete set, also don't forget to add some bits to this kit, because it always makes it better to have some bits with some for this kit, because it's always good to have an extra amount of bits. like an extra battery helps too. Always great to have an extra battery with your kit in case you do forget to charge your batteries. This is a Shockwave pack, the 45 pack, which is good amount for any your daily needs. Also great for when you demo a project. It's great to have tools in hand. Hope you enjoyed this video and you find it useful. And don't forget to give it a like. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.